What is the worst PPC campaign I've ever run? Man, there's been a lot of them. If you don't optimize your product ahead of time with the right design, basically get some validation, know your price points, turn on some coupons. If your product's not converting, your ads are not going to get the right conversions. You'll get clicks, but you'll be wasting a lot of money. And to this day, I remember doing some pretty aggressive launches with some products that I thought would be pretty good, and ended up just lighting a bunch of money on fire. I remember losing over $1,000 a day on a product launch that I thought was a great design. And this is going back maybe to 2017, really, really far back. And to this day, the lesson that I learned there was that before I launch a product, I need to know what keywords I'm going to be able to win on. So when I'm creating a master keyword list in Data Dive, for example, and that sparked the strategy that has led to millions of dollars in profits and $75 million in sales for us and hundreds of millionaires in the inner circle. But that strategy comes from this one painful lesson, which is that before I launch a product, I need to create that master keyword list. And on that list of keywords, I need to know that I can get sales on those keywords, that I'm going to be able to compete, that these sellers that I'm selling something similar to, hopefully that's a better design, hopefully more value, that they're winning and ranked on them. And I'm going to be able to do the same thing. And what I did with this product, it was an electronics product and it costs $85 I was selling it for. It cost me $25 to land it. I was selling for $80. To this day, the keywords that I was targeting, that I was spending a lot of money on, were dominated by cheaper products. So $10, $15, $20 cheap products or major brands. Sony, for example, to give you an idea of what this product might be. And so the issue is that my no-name product at $80 was sitting next to Sony at $80 or $100, or sitting next to a cheap Chinese brand at $15. I'm not going to be able to convert on that listing. So ahead of time, knowing what keywords you can win on and why you can win on them, and making sure that you've got that validation will save you a ton of money when you go to launch that product. Still the best lesson I've learned to this day. I'm a millionaire because of that lesson.